my sherry anytime we say about Chago. Sexy lady. Na 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 na. You looking beautiful like butterfly.
Ebony black.
You're too sweet and you're not good, man. You're so good.
I too love you.
You know my everything. If not be you, we are for day. We are for day. My everything, that's why I love you.
Oh, thank God. Yeah.
I'll do everything. We will make you happy. I will never disappoint you.
You sure?
I promise. I sure now. If not be you, no. If my everything. If me a little way to do for me. Now me and you for better for worse now. Until death. Now death go separate two of us.
You sure?
You not trust me.
This one not be for mouth, so
I cross my heart, eh? For it, eh? I cross my heart. May go for me now. Let you at the group now.
okay.
So
For that's what you say. I will buy that show for you. That show of 150 euro.
You serious?
Yes, sir. I promise now. The money day.
I trust you.
I'll buy it for
I
you.
trust you now. Now what thing make me love you be that?
Okay.
You know they say now. If no other woman, they say they not get money. Now you know. I love you. I love you. I say me
Family
and
give
you.
it to me the way I want.
Power day now. I get the power. I get the strength.
Okay.
I will do on well.
Okay.
You know they say you want to buy me new shoe. I love you, man.
Thank
Seriously, I love you.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, my love.
I'm not come at me and go buy something.
You want to leave me here?
10 minutes, I'll come back now.
You sure?
Yes, now.
Okay.
Trust me.
But not till me come, we come.
No problem.
I know say, now let me what they say now.
No
We try to
problem.
come out time.
Okay, no
All right.
problem.
No, while there.
You come in.
I'm shaking hands
Okay,
with you.
Okay.
All right. Make it quick, eh?
Okay, now. Later.
This mother must be now. Hello? Ibafo? Nami Osas. Afan where you dey? Okay, no wetin go happen now. Yeah, I dey near your area. That parking where for the room for the sea. I will do them less than 10-15 minutes. We will see now. They don't see 10 now, they miss you. I know 4 cup at the corner now. Before 10-15 minutes, so you'll see me there. Alright, okay, they come.
Are you ready to wind down with Chelsea T? Let's go there. Increase the volume, man. Oh, work. Obialeke, Obialeke, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, no mose, Obialeke, no yere, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, no yere, Obialeke, no yere, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, ni yayo, Obialeke, ni me yagbe, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, Fiega kuna meo, Wamadoge ifufu no na rihe Obialeke, Wamadoge okeke ni magagbe, Wamadoge ifufu no na rihe Obialeke, Wamadoge ogoke.
Oh my God.
I can't explain. It's not what you think.
It's not what you think. And they call your phone now, your phone not go.
I want back.
Auntie say you dey bedroom, dey bath.
Baby,
Now this one you call the juice since.
My love.
Money where they give you now this small rat.
Honey.
Now you just spend my money
Hey,
for
hey,
me.
madam,
Stop it. Who are you? Come, who shit?
Wait till you hear now they pull and give me. Before I count of three.
What? Talk to me. What's happening?
Before I count of three now. Pull out for me.
Pull what?
My love.
Come on, pull what? What's happening here? Talk to
Now
me.
you not provoke me, oh. Pull out.
Talk to me now.
I can't.
Pull out for me.
Na me.
Before I count of three.
Na me. Na me.
Pull out for me.
Na me.
Pull out. Pull out.
Na me. Na me.
Jesus, I can't take this
Na me.
guy.
Na me.
Oh, yeah, give me. Pull your
I
glove.
love you. I love you. Not be waiting.
So when love?
Not be waiting.
Me not love you again.
Not
Pull
be
out.
waiting you think.
Pull out. Pull out.
Not be waiting you think.
I said pull out.
Not be waiting.
Pull out before I give you
I
stuff.
go explain.
Give me.
I go explain.
Oh, yeah.
Not be waiting you think.
Babe.
Not be waiting you think.
Kí ló pa mẹ́?
What is it now? Everyone has me. What is it now? Not be waiting with you.
You come here. You come here.
Okay, I will
Pull up for me.
pull up.
No, be a man. What are you about now? It's an hour and a rock. Pull up for me.
Outside that day.
You want to pull it?
Outside.
Pull up for me.
I'll do it. What is it now? What is it now?
And you want to go away.
What is it now?
Pull up for me. Yeah, I say, what you go, go house. Without small rats.
Namio.
Do me before. Now my money
My
there.
phone. My phone.
Now my money now. Where am I? Oh, here's a cigarette in a row.
Everything.
If not because of God,
Everything.
my Baba
Everything.
God, I for you put the cigarette.
Everything.
God, yeah.
Hey. Which kind of wala for this one? Which kind of wala? I want to know. Hey.
Bros, what be this now?
Not in a good morning.
Now you be this.
Namio, good morning. Good morning.
Why you dey like this now?
Nothing. I'm here with one of my friends. We got the facts. I had the whole money. We got the facts.
Bros,
Not this.
this one not good now. You just dey half naked. But
I
I
dey
see
hold
one
them.
woman just now. The woman they pull your dress.
One woman.
The woman they pull your dress. They remove everything for your body. Bro, say you don't even fit talk for months. Pack well. Now Europe is there. Come on for us, because they do nonsense for you. You don't know what he suffer. Now woman money you want it better. Just see you.
I see my mate they do.
You see what you they use yourself till they receive. Eh, bros. If I say mona fine work, no they fine. Eh? No they fine. It must have dead there that they give work. Eh? Construction day, fabrica day. You know what work? Eh? You just come up for Nigeria because they do nonsense.
I know.
See what they use your body to receive here. Well, wow. Because of God. This clock now, one go give my brother. Bros, may you go find work, eh? May you go find work. Your family they feel say they work. See the nonsense when they receive for woman hand. Eh? Bros, I don't want to see you like this again. May you go find work. I think that shirt go let you wear now. Ma keep this one. If I say I go find work, I don't find. When they find woman money, I want to eat. In fact, sometimes it's even good. Now because of God, now you also give you this trouser. Bros, may you pack well. So now Europe, eh?
Thank you, man.
Guys, they not give money again.
Thank you, man.
Lazy man.
Are you ready to wind down with Chelsea T? Let's go there. Increase the volume, man. Oh, work.
Now, wow. Jesus. Thank God, say, God just could open my eye, see the kind of person when this guy be. Let me hear to the boss for outside. Say nobody like my boyfriend. Not knowing say na old woman, na him dey carry. Centro, my own boyfriend. Jesus. Worship, I still thank God. As he just could let me know the kind of person wey him be. Come to think of it. But that woman get mad, sha. See the way you just pull a big boy cloth like that for street. Well, wonder shall never end.
Good evening. I don't know your line since you not pick. When I send me a can't say for us.
What's happening?
Me, I ring bell.
What's happening?
So look, you just the open door.
Why you come? What's happening?
I say I come beg you now for what you do that day.
What you do?
Now annoyance now. That thing now where I do you for parking that day now. And because I can't see you with that girl now, all those small girls, you know what they call person like you where you from. Either you understand? So I beg. I say me I come beg you.
No, get out. No need. Me I tell you. Get out. No need. I don't hear. Get out.
Don't forgive me.
I don't forgive you. Get out. I forgive you. Get out.
Thank
you.
you.
Get out. See, me I tell you something.
Yes, now. Anything what you want, I will do it for you. If not house, I will build them for you. You hear? Now annoyance, now make me do that day. I beg.
I don't hear.
I beg my love.
I don't hear. I'm not the first.
You know I too love you.
I know so you love me. I know so you love me. I don't hear you, but I don't work now. I'm not depend on my money again. I don't work. So when I mean to get my money now by myself, I believe now nobody will put my check away again.
Now
So,
you.
I know it's not you.
You are your bugger.
Forget I know bugger. I need bugger like an idea now. Leave that thing. You leave all those I know bugger matter. We finish the me. I need bugger. I need bugger. You say yeah. I don't hear.
But I don't feel leave you now. I beg.
You don't feel leave me.
No.
You put my check away.
Now annoyance.
You don't feel leave me. You collect my phone. You don't feel leave me. You don't do. No wahala. Make it. I get where I go.
I
You know say I want come away with me.
Now me, oh.
I know say na you.
I beg.
No.
You know now.
You don't do. I get where I go. Make come out. Come out. Me I call you.
We will go together now.
Now go together. Follow this again.
Big bear for this early afternoon. Hola? Who? I never felt warn you when put the ring bear for my house. For your entire life, never call my door, not call the ring bear. If they hear me, share nonsense with this one. Idiot. Don't you that? Now what you do for this place? I don't know, you can press my bear for this place.
I don't get where they go.
So say this is down for there.
My love, I don't feel leave you now. I don't feel leave you.
So you get my girl if I want to press my bear after all the money make I give you.
My love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did very sorry. It will never happen again. Please.
So then that old woman, that is the day, then they close you.
Let me go now.
Then they buy you trousers, buy you everything. Can you imagine?
I'm sorry.
She just did pull your clothes for my present. Ah, Jesus.
I'm sorry.
For my own present.
My love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did very sorry. It will never happen again.
Pull your clothes.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
As you say I no wrong that day.
I beg.
She might even fight me. How was the way she pushed me, Abby?
I beg, my love. I beg. See, may I tell you, since 8 hours, not a day easy to beg you. I beg you, my love. Please, it will never happen again. I beg you. See, may I tell you something? I don't work now. I don't work, my love. Please, forgive me. Please.
So as you just talk, say you dey walk, my ears they jump up. My ears they jump, Abby. I'm saying if I tell you before say you dey walk.
That one before.
That one now before. I don't want to believe now. What's not coming me believe now? Say that true they talk now.
I cross my hands.
You cross?
I don't work now. My love, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did very sorry. It will never happen again. I beg. I beg. Now money the cost on. Every go ya me. I mean you go see. Every go see now. I beg.
And because you know say I love you, let me do all this rubbish.
I love you too. I beg my love. Please. Please.
And because of God I want to forgive you.
Thank you. Come here. I love you. Come here.
I beg come here, Joe. What they go inside, Joe? Oh, go.
Another sheriff in the town is a bunch of books. Sexy lady. Na 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 na. You looking beautiful like butterfly. Anytime I remember my body hurts. Low waist, your heavy, little better cuff. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl. You looking beautiful.
Ah, Ross, good afternoon. Good afternoon. I been no vex na this area you dey.
Na this area there anything?
Nothing now. Calm down. I be dey find Destiny production.
Destiny
Studio,
production.
you know where studio dey around this
I don't know
area.
where they may go find them. I don't know. I bet carry a wallet to do.
Hey, do you go na me o? Beg, don't frustrate me. Please, na call the first person I want to answer.
That person now who want carry on a public for body. After I don't frustrate finish for you now. They come they say how you find for face. This small thing now for come see pass for telephone number yours now.
Por favor, ¿me puede darme más azúcar? Sí,
Hello.
How about you now?
I tell you, we don't see the way the life is sweet me.
I'm small.
Thank you, man. Thank you for this chance that you give me. And I promise you, I know we'll ever fuck up again.
I hope so. I hope so you use this chance well.
If not say money, but I thank God I don't work now. So that woman put my shirt away. Get man, you don't with me. Get man.
I hope you don't learn your lesson.
See how you feel. I miss you.
Really? Just say you will miss
I
me.
don't miss you. I don't see nobody will take care of you the way they take care of me.
Evanta.
Honestly, the way they take care of me, nobody will be too much. I don't change. I'm not a changed person.
Baby,
Ma.
welcome.
Oh, yeah.
Wait now, this one you do mess. So.
Mama, yeah.
Excuse. What did they share now?
Mama, wetin you expect? For that mission impossible when you send me. For that guy body, wetin? Guy body dey hot. Ordinary question na just ask am for street. See the way this guy dey vibrate like Nokia phone dem. Me sef I come still dey fear make no come beat me for street o. Wetin? Na so the body dey hot. Mama, that boy matter never just know sha
Relax. Me no first tell you, I take go beg am. Wait, tell me say don't forgive me, but he don't start work, he don't want me again. You understand? That work wey say he start, that money, I go collect am. You understand? No worry, you still try me, you go. Now so they do. Because of that way happen that day, now make am dey do like that. You hear, baby? I beg.
Mama, yeah, well, we na. Me I still tell you. Mama, wetin you do that guy? It's too much now. It's too much. The place say the thing pain and reach bone because the way you dey vibrate for street that day. My feel that guy pain. No way, you're too much igbe. Egbe balo, I feel younger.
You know, it not be my fault. As I come see her with that small girl. All those small girl we go to tell person like can say, he died, he made me jao. I don't feel control myself again. You know what? You know how it be now to spend clean person up like that before that small girl will come like her. I don't feel control myself again. That is why you understand. I beg you will try. You never know be me that money. I go collect some. I beg baby. You hear? I beg.
I know. To see that boy just give me small opportunity at least to even take collect number that day. At least by now, you know me now. But the boy not green me, not give me space. Chance if he not green give me. So you know calm.
Don't worry. If not that one, we will use plan B. I'll give you a number. I don't say if you do one for me.
Mama. Make them bang for you. You won't give me a number?
Yes.
Oh God. See that small money where they check am. When say no they work, we no want let person hear what will suck am. He no say no hear what.
I trust you.
Now you want anything for you. No lele, no level. You not trust me.
I know you can do it for me.
You? Who don't know you no go.
That's
You
all.
mama or for mama? Mama, may you just relax. May you just chillax. You know understand? Mama, beg, give me, waiting.
C0 20 111 72.
Maka,
I trust you.
I don't get them.
Okay.
Mama, as you don't give me so, may you relax.
Okay.
That's more money when you say they work. As in we go drill am, we go draw am. He say go no say na person na inja. Me to be a me when make bossa, you make be na ti alazi. Not be you, Mama. You don't give me, you just.
I will promise son, say I will do everything we want for her. I go build that for her. You say no want me again.
Yeah, mommy. Yeah, where you no go, say go go fit money. Yeah,
me.
Hey, may you relax now. May you just, Mama. Chillax. Where any men any?
No problem.
See. Mama, any asha, me want enter streets.
I trust you, my baby.
I'll call you later.
Good luck.
You don't trust me.
I trust you. I know what you can do.
No be lie.
Are you ready to win with Chelsea T? Let's go there. Increase the volume, man. Oh, work. Obialeke, Obialeke, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, no mose, Obialeke, no yere, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, no yere, Obialeke, no yere, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, ni yayo, Obialeke, ni meyagbe, Fiega kuna meo.
You are so sweet. See how you sweet? Oh, my man, he's sweet here. What are you doing?
Sweetheart, now you dey talk this one. You don't see the way you just did knock. And you say that my clear and me continue to shout harder. I dey hear the thing they reach my brain.
Oh, my God. I don't know, say, you sweet like this, eh? Now you call me that day. I do she. Me tell you, con?
I wanna know my sweetheart.
Oh, my God.
Nah, man, you
I beg give me for you.
I
love you. I love you.
I love you too.
I hear the yes, as I want come out, they pay me. Because I need to go work. I know, not my work now, what make the thing they pay me. But me not think I need to go work now. So if not this work where I want to go for your day, today you day enjoy myself. As my brain is scattered so. Oh
so
my
you
God.
won't go now?
I'll go now. I'll go. Hi. What's in now?
Sweetheart, you know if you understand.
See, I know if you understand. Because I tell you, see, how come on? Another one. You relax your mind. Today not Sunday. Before you know what it happen, why you walk out that way? So Friday don't reach. I said close for work on Friday. I dey come here, come enjoy myself. You too sweet. I don't feel leave you now.
My love, you only not be that one at all.
What's in again? Okay. Come here. Come tell me. Come. So what's it?
Sweetheart.
Yeah.
Now what this case matter? The only issue don't tire me. It don't tire me. Today bring this one. Ahweri. Tomorrow bring this one. It be woman, I don't tire. As I did so 1 centimum when small pass for Europe money, it no go me at all. I no get. And now they say make I bring money. We are on for see go give them. The old thing they make me they get headache.
It's okay. Problem not there that one. Maybe you relax your mind. Problem not there. Number say money. I not still get, but you relax your mind. You understand? Hi, but you know what you go happen? I will try my best. Me month your end. Only say relax your mind. I'll do anything for you now. So what I want to do for you now be this one. Maybe for smile. Me month end. If I receive my salary, I'll pay my landlord, my house rent. The money I'll give you. Give my baby smile.
You give me?
Why not?
Hi, good. Why I not go love you? Thank you. Hey, thank you.
Give me for a year.
Thank you. In fact, you're the
Come
best.
Here. Anything for you. I just want me to be happy now.
Yeah, you know, since I can't be happy now.
Thank you.
Are you ready to wind down with Chelsea T? Let's go there. Increase the volume, man. Oh, work. Obialeke, Obialeke, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, no mose, Obialeke, no yere, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, no yere, Obialeke, no yere, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, ni yayo, Obialeke, ni meyagbe, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo, Obialeke, Fiega kuna meo, Fiega kuna meo. Wamadoge ifufu no na gihe ku Obialeke, Wamadoge okay.
Baby, who is she?
She be my
Sweetheart.
Who she be?
Hi. She be my me not be with you today. She be my
She's your what?
I want permission. Hi. She be my
She be man. You don't come here open my talk again.
Hi. You take permission.
I beg now who you be? Tell her.
Never change. Excuse me.
See, baby, leave her. Make she go.
Who she be? She. Ha.
Now those girls, now she be the one me and friend. Now I get baby like you.
Now she be the one make you friend her, or now you be the one make you friend her?
For where you do? Where you? Friend that kind of. Where you do? Because now you now. Now you now. Where will they go? Make you do that.
You sure?
I'm not friend that me will go.
Okay.
Another sheriff in the town is a bunch of booze. Sexy lady. Na 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 na. You looking beautiful like butterfly. Anytime I remember my body hurts. The waist you're heavy, look better cuff. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl. You looking beautiful like butterfly. Anytime I remember my body hurts. The waist you're heavy, look better cuff. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl. That's my girl. That's my sexy girl.
Baby, had.
Oh yeah.
Baby, had.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So sweet.
You be machine.
Seriously,
Hey.
you're too sweet.
You not baddest. Hey. I will come skip you all this one again. Which kind of bad belly go this one?
Before.
That's my carry and you know whether I'm money just me. It's not relax. It's hello. Hello. I dey hear you. Be that.
Eh? Hey, another one. Another money. For waiting again now. Bros, I no get. You dey hear me? I no get. Waiting. Not be there for you yes, still bring money come for now. Another money again. Bros, waiting I dey bear. Waiting I dey. Now me start and not be there I take start. I no fit go kill myself. Bros, I no get. Yeah, I no get. I say I no get. I no fit go. Which one be at bro? I no get. I no get.
Have
Bros,
you heard about this
I kill
image
myself.
maker?
Yeah, I no get.
A
Waiting.
multi-talented man of our time, Destiny EE
No,
Production, the image maker, called in for script writing, full film production, directing of musical videos and movies.
Sweetheart, this
Complete
you
audio
don't tire
and
me.
video production.
I don't tire for all this
Video
kind of nonsense. I don't
coverage
tire.
such as
I
wedding
don't. Not be
ceremony,
me start am. Not be me
birthday
start
party,
am.
church
Not be get
convention,
issue again. I just still come make I still bring money.
ceremony,
Bring another
child
money again.
dedication, and
Today
more.
bring. Tomorrow bring. What if I know they do only that? How much
Production
say month for anything I want collect my money? See as I call up for them because of them. Wait, see, na me start am. Na me start am.
111
Wow.
Destiny EE
Even me with
Production.
the I don't tire for this matter. Seriously, I don't tire. Me would say call you, me can't tell us say they don't enter us.
Oh.
Me would they happy. I will come and hear me say I don't want to work again.
Okay.
I want to come to enjoy. See, I don't tire seriously because me with there here. So I get many things where they bother me for mad now. Me which I want to tell you, I never pay my house rent last month. This month now, I never pay. I don't know if you buy shirt wear again because of this matter. Since when this matter they start, I don't know if you do anything again.
Okay.
I don't tire. All your money where they work now you are the give. Because of this matter, me you bring the come, they come. Me I begin enjoy. You don't do now. What did they happen, self? Since when people they do this thing, they will even do one before 3 months, 4 months. They're not there. Since when they start this one, bring money. It is a 3 days for the plump.
Maybe na so. If to say na there take start now, for say maybe say na so the matter be. Wait.
Tire,
May this
seriously.
boy, may no you carry me play, may no use me play kalo because that kind of play I know you dey like am. Which kind of nonsense beyond this one now? Bring money. Where it say me they pick the money for grant? If they take me they pick am for grant. May not try me and I demolish I go demolish my past for Benin. May not carry me play that kind of play. Which kind of nonsense be that one?
Now, wow, I don't know, But nevertheless. So, me will see how much he said we will break on her.
Sweetheart, 3K5. Now this idiot they ask me. 3K5. When you get hand, when you get leg, when you get family.
The money big, eh?
Okay.
3,500. Hi, but you will give me the guy number. You will give me the guy phone number. I will call him. Bet now this one will be the last one. My love. Now this one will be the last one because you know how much I receive since we will start this thing. I don't know if you do anything again. I don't even my wardrobe look and nothing there inside. If you reach my house, open my wardrobe, nothing there inside. I don't know if you do anything again. But hi, the thing, nevertheless, what you will do, my salary now 1,200, you know. I will receive now. I will give you. I will go beg my landlord. Because today na 28 now. Tomorrow, next tomorrow, they'll pay us. I'll give you the money. But it will be the last one. I'll go beg my landlord. Say, give me patience. At least I know say I don't the whole long, they go 3 months now. So I'll go beg her. Me, I'll give you the money. Me for give her. Now 1,200, you know. You know. Because this matter, I want me to suffer once and for all. Because I don't want to come there again. Because you call me, they complain for money. I don't want to hear her. I don't want to hear her because I'm not tired.
Sweetheart, thank you.
Not tired,
Thank you. No be guys, even now only as I dey here, so 1.5 na dey with me. When that idiot still work, can't give me yesterday. I become say if you want come out just now, because the way you just stay and do that just now, I really feel it. Because if you want come out, I still find like 5 years for you. Me still take your body. Now this idiot carry a car, continue to disturb my destiny. This kind of time.
My love, you don't do. So this one will be the last one. I'll give you the money so that we will settle the matter once and for all. It's okay, eh? So I'll try. I'll talk to 1 or 2 persons. Eh? Me like find small money give me. So that I'll join you 1, 2, I want to receive give you, and you say you get 1.5. So me will see how we fit round up the matter. It don't do, but I'll call the guy by myself. Me not gonna do like that, eh? Because people they do this thing. People they do on 3 months out there. You start one business for that they go almost a year now. That is personal fit chop again.
Me still find one of my good men still go say at all me they still find someone to give me. I still put joy those ones. Thank you.
I'll talk to 1 or 2 persons. toast me. See, I know say I don't offend you. That's why I come here come back. See, you know what you happen? Wetin you really happen I want to tell you now. I just dey waka dey go, you meet me say na so you back boss. You dey find why pantry pan go Nigeria. You don't tell. Wait, she dey dey follow me. If I go this side, she go follow me. If I go the other side, she go follow me. I don't know. What is she dey fight for my body? See, my love. I just see me, I just test and check man. One test. You know I say me I do. I don't know say me the thing will come become this one. I beg you with the name of God. I beg. Forgive me. I know say I dey offend you before, but now I beg. You not go ever repeat yourself again. Forgive me. Now devil work. Now temptation I call this one. Now temptation I beg. Forgive me. I beg.
That's okay. That's all finish. Don't worry. You know, say me love you well.
I love you, my king.
But I'm sorry. It's already late.
No, my love.
I don't get someone.
No, you don't feel happen.
And our marriage next month. Don't worry, I'll send my invitation card go for you.
My love.
Good luck.
My love. My love. Iwu.
Welcome. I hear you. This one has a smile like this. Don't they okay?
Everywhere they well. You know, see when me come flash my tick like person they do close up and back. Mama, you know say you na mama of furniture.
I know.
Mama before you nobody. Even after yourself nobody.
That's all.
My issue. I don't suck.
Okay.
As me they talk so the guy don't dey. As in ear can't they show red.
That's good.
Yeah, give me a you know. And for many most they don't even pay us rent.
Okay.
All the might say me. Get zero, till you get zero, they won't come give her money. They pump money for me like I see they receive it, they drop. As they receive it, they drop.
Oh no, Hego.
Mama, maybe go.
I trust you. But I want to go for all your money. Say what's up, Mama?
I tell you not me you relax. In yellow we go. That's why they use them for bed.
Hey Jimmy.
And they use them today. Baby, give it to me harder. Say the shot. Give it to me harder. If they use all your power, open say me. Tip I won't pack the money come with the 3 guests one break come. Mama,
I can't get
No
go kill her for me.
Mama, no, I don't understand your way, girl. Be like say that guy still there your eye,
I love her.
Mama.
I don't like you. I enjoy that guy. What I never see for life before. Where we go to do I go say give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Me say that's why they enjoy that.
Confirm.
Oh, they pay me show.
Mama, to read that guy. Mama, wetin dey important be say me. Wetin we dey find, we don't see.
And I don't want the important.
They feel me. You know, if you see her now, you go they me say that they go they pity for her, make it not go down. Mama, as me and you they talk now. If they even they work, I don't know where say you want go find money borrow break up for me. Isha.
He call me say you want to see me. I say, they don't know this one. I don't know. I've been at me want to see.
I mean, you want to collect the money come from?
I don't know.
Man, that guy don't. You don't ask me the thing you so in.
Thank you very much.
You don't empty. You can't red. They show zero. I don't think the way you chill. I mean, they begin. I mean, know what they saw.
That's good.
That guy, he never see.
That's good. Now that one go for her.
So, now this fool, now she said you may come destroy me. Abi? She said you come destroy me. You. Ogun man, Ogun will kill you, Ogun, that will kill you. Do you hear me? Ogun will kill you. What's that there? Ayala will kill you, See how you might be. See, this old woman, you, come to say this one, because they fool me. Ogun man, Ogun will kill you, Ayala will kill you. Omila, Ogun wenya.
How you try to enter my house?
How I enter this house? You don't be my house.
Not be your house.
I'm not for the entire before.
I don't collect my key before.
I get extra key.
You be thief.
I'll leave that side first. Let me leave that side first. So you consider this fool. But she can't destroy me. I will man whatever, eh?
Now they call me Ozoma. The time I carry you for gutter, clean you up, you not call me Ozoma. Because of that small rats. Not be you, now you leave me, Abi. Problem not there. You hear me? Don't see me finish because you don't climb me, Abi. Problem not there. When I was Janik Bay.
See. May I tell you? May I tell you something? If me want to marry you, say I want to marry you now, she will let me carry you. Go meet my papa. Say, papa, see what you want to marry. Or, fear will let you carry me, go meet your family. Say, now, ma, we want to marry with this one. You know the shame. It will move where? It will move where? See, it will never be well with you, eh? I will ban you, go and go. When I know my man, you can't get man. Can't they fool me? Eh? Go and go.
Mr. Lover Boy, yeah, you tired to gather liver, gather mora. You insult my own mama, my own mentor. Okay, I live a strong share, but nevertheless, if I'm boy no pimples, just get to know something to tell you. You see me? I'm boy. Gone are those days when boys they eat woman money. See this time around, women don't tear. Or when we go your totally, you know they work. Because I don't tear. She understand. Now they chop gas money. They feel me. So I get only one small rice for you. I fine boy. Go hustle. You feel me? Work, stand on your own like a man. Work hard, make you come out here for woman money because money no they there, you know they come. You understand? Fine boy.
Go sit down there. See, I will man, I will kill you, eh? This is the way you do me. I will man, you know, ever better for you. See this old woman, come there, you want marry me. You want marry me, call it send this fool, because they fool me. I will kill you. I will kill you, eh? I will man,
They curse me. This one will kill you. Me, mama of the whole country. I go put hand for this boy eye. It go come out for back. I go do you rich like that. That work they'll take out for your hands. You go dey ordinary grant. You know seafood eat for this country again. In Pakpera, emi ya dumu wena. Me we do arovi. Cause you don't see me if you don't climb me now. When I was just like baby, cat I sing. Problem you know. You assume for your wall.
Indeed, you are a fair.